Hi, welcome back to CS170. I'm just going to kick off with a few admin stuff. This week, I decided to experiment a little bit of recording with Zoom. I think in prior sessions when we tried to record using Kaltura, there seemed to be some issues with the resolution, especially when I transferred it to YouTube. So let's see how things look like with the Zoom recording. So right now, welcome back from spring break. Here we are. We're going to get into the spreadsheet section. So we're going to do the quick intro to spreadsheets. And you can see we have the hourly exam coming up here. This will be covering essentially the JavaScript portion of the course. So I'll step into that in a second. But you guys can see all of your schedules here. So if there's any questions, let me know. But we're essentially on to a new section here, okay, with spreadsheets. So I'll be running spreadsheets here, and this is where we had some problem with the resolution. So let's see if recording with Zoom makes it any better, okay? So here we look at the week 9 resources, which I've included into our resources, my announcements back here. So you can see on my section, I've already created a link for week 9 resources. Okay, so under my section, you can link to that. And as usual, you can go into the modules here too. Modules has all of the resources by week. Okay. And you can see here, there's only one resource here, which I included back into my section. Okay. So here we are in the resources. Let's zoom on this a little bit. Okay, so here's your reading up here. And here's everything for chapter 13. I've also been working on your spreadsheet assignment, right? So your assignments under spreadsheets are actually coming through me. I'm the one that's in charge of organizing that. So what I did was I tried to match up like all of these things here. I couldn't get all of them in. That would be a monster assignment if I actually picked up every single one of these, but I tried to include a lot of them into your assignment. So hopefully between that and my lecture, you should have everything. And then of course you have video resources here. You know, different things like putting together your charts, you know, using ifs with the logic operators. That's maybe a little bit tricky for some people. So we have these extra resources here if you kind of get stuck on doing if statements inside of the Excel. And then these are, like I said, the charts, okay? And more charts here using formulas. We do a lot of stuff with cell counting and whatnot. So you have all of that here. And then here's your vocabulary, okay? These are all pretty standard stuff, so you should make sure you know these. We'll definitely cover these for the exam, okay? So I'm going to cut it right now. Let's see how this video turns out. All right, thank you. Done.